Now, this is a story all about how video games turn this world upside down, and I'd like to take a minute and just sit right there. I'm going to tell you how video games can change this world. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to talk about video games and how it can change our lives, but also change the way that education works and the workforce works. I've done a lot of research in this, and I know that it can help a lot of people, and it can help some things if we do this right as a world. We all know video games. There's Call of Duty, Minecraft, all those cool video games. You guys all know them. Maybe you like them, maybe you don't. That's up to you. But I'm just going to talk about some video games and how it can change us and how it can help us in this world be better and have more education. First of all, there's Minecraft. You all know what Minecraft is. It's that stupid game people play where everything are just blocks. There's no graphics. Worst graphics in the world. But this game truly could help people if we use it in the right way. Could help education and in the way the workforce is done. In this game, most of what you do is you just build. There's a lot of good architecture things. There's a lot of good things that you can learn in this game. Something really big in this game, though, is there's this thing called redstone that you have to connect redstone. It's like an electrical wire. You can connect a lot of redstone and make machines in Minecraft. If the world and I guess Minecraft, if it's programmed right, you can help a lot of people in like engineering school and just maybe even just elementary school. It could help them in that aspect. I truly think that Minecraft could help a lot of people if we use it in the right way. Another game is SimCity. This is an older game. I don't know if people know it as much. I used to play it on my Super Nintendo. But it's a game where you have a budget, you have money, and you build a city. And you can build all kinds of different things. You can build zoos, you can build skyscrapers, whatever you want. But this game can help people. Again, if we use it in the right way, it can help people with money management. You can help people with city management and different things. But I think that if we program it the right way, and we program it for the benefit of people's education and for the benefit of people's, I guess, just more knowledge about it, then it can change the way we look at city management. It can change the way we can solve many problems that city management has, or it can solve many problems that even finances have. It helps us finance. I guess it just helps us better manage our finances, which could be really beneficial in this world. Another, I guess, tiny game is Tetris. You guys have all heard of it. It's a super old game also. But Tetris is just a game that helps us. It's just like a building game. It helps our cognitive ability to grow, and it raises it highly. And if we play that game and program it the right way, it can help many people also in that. There's another super fun game that I had in elementary school. It's called Times Attack. You're this little tiny alien. You just walk around, and it's like a game, but to beat certain bosses and levels, you have to do math. You have to do times tables. And it was such a fun game that I went back even this semester, and I downloaded it, something that I played in elementary school. Now, if we could make games that helps people with their math, helps people with science, art, and they want to download the game again, way before then, or after, even in like high school and in college, then it's a game that I think is successful. If they remember it always, and it helps them in math, helps them in science, then it's a successful game. And if we can make those types of games, if we can make games that helps our cognitive ability rise, and we help students, if we help people in the workforce build that cognitive ability and build those skills, we can make a better world. I have a lot of future ideas that I want to work on maybe in the future with game design, with helping the education and workforce, with really helping people like that. I think it would be really cool. My ideas for the future would be to all of these games are for fun, right? That's what they're meant for, to have fun. But if we can reprogram these games into having fun, but also to have more educational value and to have more of everything that will help people have more knowledge, then I really think that this can be a big project that could help a lot of people. And I know that it can help, and I love this idea. It's something that I really think could help this world. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Bye.